Our July release includes some beautiful inspirational stamp designs in mini cling and slim and 6x6, a variety of different sizes. And this board shows a couple of different ones, and including the stamps, some of them are also featuring our quick cards. And this one has all of these inspirational themes. And the full color panels come with 2 sheets of each of these in the package. And this one is Quick Cards 118, A and B. And then this one, this is Quick Cards 114, AB, and while you see the poinsettias on the front, we hope you won't miss these other beautiful inspirational ones that are on the back as part of this other quick card set. And you can simply cut apart these beautiful panels and very quickly make a personalized card for the holidays. There are also a couple of clear sets with some wonderful messages. And this one in particular, this one is the Blessed Holiday, and this other one is Fond Memories. And you can see, you might just do a whole collage of messages, and you have many to select from for just the right message to send to your friends and family. And let's see, a couple other things. Here's another sample of a card that was using the 6x6 cling. It's a nice background one that you can do a lot of things with. And not to be missed, we also have this Baked Love one, and that allows you to make all of your tags and stickers if you're inspired to bake some wonderful goodies for your friends and family. So thanks for taking a look at our inspirational ideas that are coming out here in July. Thanks so much for watching, and Merry Christmas.